to answer them, my dear friends. Well, I welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook Live series called as Ask the Doctor, which is broadcasted on a continuous basis every day. So this is the 12th Facebook live broadcast on iPulse as well, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, so as you all know that this is a Corona Zamana, so as I call. So this is the era of Corona. Well, on the 30th of July 2020, the News 18 has published one of the articles. See, this article clearly says something about the common cold as well as the coronavirus. In fact, the scientists now they have stated that all the infected people did not show the T cell activated response because it is difficult to assess the number of people who have been affected with COVID-19 with similar comorbid factors like cough and cold. Well, nowadays it is actually becoming certain that people with some amount of cough and cold or asymptomatic reasons also, they are actually suffering with this dreadful disease without any symptoms, my dear friends. So this is one important thing that the people have to think about so far as COVID-19 is concerned. See, asymptomatic causes might be there where the viral load is actually very less in the human body. Well, your immune system is also acting at that particular point of time so that automatically the viral load, even if it is low, automatically the person can be protected because our immune system itself is trying to save us there. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So not only this, my dear friends, on 31st of July, the New York Times published this particular article. So COVID-19 immunity won't last long. This is what the article has to say. See, dropping antibody counts are a sign of infection that the immune system has not totally repaired itself. This is very, very important, which means that people are now thinking that once the disease has affected someone, the antibodies within the human body has developed. But we don't know what is the extent of antibodies which is developed inside the human body. See, when the antibody count automatically drops, automatically your body can be, it can succumb to this disease again. So it actually becomes vulnerable to this disease again. Well, our intention here is to make the immune system as strong as possible so that even if the antibody count falls down in your body cannot be affected with any kind of such viral diseases in the future. I hope the point is clear to everybody. That is the reason why the immune boosting supplements always play a very important role in boosting your resistance, or in other words, the innate immunity so that once the antibody count falls down also after some point of time, automatically your body can be protected with all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. I hope the point is clear. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, 27th of July, again, the Times of India published this article. The FSSAI is recommending vitamin C sources for improving your immunity. The Food Safety Standards Authority of India is suggesting that vitamin C sources can help you attain this wonderful concept called as immunity. See, what the council has to say here is, please include the fruits which contain a rich vitamin C and antioxidants which can help you to boost your immunity. This is what the FSSAI has also told so far as boosting of immunity is concerned. So it is always important for us to consume the fruits which are rich with vitamin C content, so automatically the immune boosting capabilities can be enhanced inside our bodies. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So this is how fruits can help in producing the antioxidant effect, and at the same point of time it will boost your immunities so that the resistance can be there, and with that resistance the body can fight against all kinds of dreadful infections in the future. Well, not only this, my dear friends, as you all know that all our Indus Viva products for that matter are called as frontline immune boosting products. So frontline immune boosting products. So how do you get that immunity? The only way to get that immunity is to have enough antioxidants in a day's time. So whenever you have antioxidants, sufficient quantities of antioxidants in a day's time, automatically the resistance or the immunity boosts in your body so that the body will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in the future. And well, the answer is simple. We have a wonderful super brand called as iPulse. It is actually called as a super brand and not just a brand, because iPulse is the best immune boosting and antioxidant rich fruit juice which is containing the 15 antioxidant fruits along with the goodness of the health benefits that we have arising out of this wonderful product called as iPulse. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So I'm trying to link the immune boosting capabilities with the antioxidant capabilities of this wonderful product called as iPulse, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So not only this, as you all know that immunity is one part of it, iPulse is also a wonderful product which speaks about the heart problems also. iPulse is considered to be one of the best products for the heart health, maintaining your heart health. In other words, we call this as cardio protective product. So in the sense, cardio protection. So heart protection, most of the people do ask us these questions. So what do you mean by cardio protection? Is it only the heart attack or cardiac arrest? I'll tell you, my dear friends, heart attack or cardiac arrest for that matter is the later stage, is the end stage of the disease actually. But the reasons for cardiac arrest and heart attacks, they are many in number. So the most important thing that everyone needs to follow here is you need to protect the human body from all these causes which are responsible for maintaining this or bringing about this heart attack or cardiac arrest, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So that is how heart attack and cardiac arrest are actually the final stages of this heart disease. Well, we need to concentrate on the root cause of these heart problems, which mainly includes the diabetes, which includes the addictions like smoking or tobacco chewing, which includes hypertension, nothing but the blood pressure, high cholesterol, which is very high bad fat and triglycerides in your blood. Lack of exercise in the human body is also a major reason. Unhealthy eating habits, it is also very dangerous because people are actually eating without any nutritional support, without any kind of the health benefits which are coming out of their foods, which are mainly with chemicals, hazardous chemicals, and loaded with preservatives and pesticides as well, my dear friends. Not only this, stress and lack of sleep is also the major cause for a heart problem. Breathlessness on exertion is also one of the major problems. Breathlessness on lying down position, this is very, very important. When a person is lying down and ultimately the breathlessness is more, that is also reaching to the cardiac issues. Not only this, swelling in the legs is also one of the major causes. Puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue or tiredness, bloating of the stomach, and weight gain. All these things put together, we arrive at a condition which is actually called as a cardiac disease, which mainly includes the heart attack or the cardiac arrest. So what is our main aim and objective here is to retard, is to minimize the reasons for all these cardiac problems. Otherwise, we call them as the root cause of cardiac problems. With the help of iPulse, definitely, holistically, we can resolve these things. That is how important iPulse is a product which is otherwise considered as a cardio protective product. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So going ahead, my dear friends, again antioxidants. As I've told you, I have linked this immune boosting capabilities with the antioxidants. This is very important. As you all know, my dear friends, the World Health Organization gives you a calculation stating that each and every human body requires 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. But for getting the 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants, you have to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organically plucked garden fruits. But is it possible for us to eat so much quantity of fruits in a daytime? Absolutely not. The most important thing that people have to consider here is antioxidants. See, you don't have to see antioxidants as some kind of a capsule or a tablet. Some people have a perception that antioxidant is seen in the form of a capsule or a tablet or a syrup. No. Your antioxidants are present in your own body. Antioxidants are there in everyone's body. But the numbers of these antioxidants are very less. But when you are able to consume such good fruits on a daily basis, your antioxidant number naturally increases inside the human body. Well, but the only impossibility here is we are not able to get those fruits on a daily basis to consume because of their non-organic nature, because of they're completely with the preservatives, the pesticides and whatnot. Because of these things, even if you eat those fruits, you will not be getting those optimum antioxidants, so that your internal antioxidant numbers will not increase. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse from outside, these are called as dietary antioxidants, which are rich with these fruits. Automatically, this particular the endogenous antioxidants or the antioxidant numbers which are present in your body, this will increase. When these numbers will increase, automatically your body will have a lot of resistance, or the immune boosting capabilities will increase, because of which your body can sustain, your body can be protected against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. So our main intention here is to increase the antioxidant numbers which are present in your body by the use of external antioxidants called as iPulse. I hope the point is clear. So, as you all know that iPulse contains a wonderful ingredient called as acai berry. Acai berry, which is called as Euter oleracea. This acai berry is endogenous only to the rainforests of South America. Not only this, my dear friends, it is a wonderful heart support ingredient. It is a #1 antioxidant for anti-aging support. It has an overall ORAC score of more than a lakh. More than a lakh, which is highest as compared to the other fruits and nuts till date. Well, another important thing I want to tell you here. The taste or the palatability of antioxidants also matter. You have other antioxidants which are present in the world, which are better antioxidants, but their taste always matters. You cannot use them in larger quantities. You have to use them in smaller quantities, but even with that smaller quantities, automatically the problems with its taste, it pervades, it spreads throughout the formulation, so that your formulation will become non-palatable. You will not be able to drink that formulation at all. Well, that is not the case with iPulse. iPulse contains this wonderful ingredient called as acai berry, which is having a bland taste. It does not have any taste, my dear friends. That is the reason why it can be used in more quantities also without having any taste issues. That is the reason why you have better antioxidants in the world, but their taste matters. But you have one of the best antioxidants in the world with a bland taste, which is called as iPulse. I hope the point is clear. So, as you all know that acai berry is a wonderful ingredient which boosts up your immunity because of its antioxidant attributes. Not only this, people in the NASA, in the space agencies of NASA, even the astronauts were given this particular drink which is containing this acai berry, and more than 60 publications are actually present in this this particular acai berry, on this acai berry, which is validating its scientific use. This is also very important to know. So not only this, my dear friends, the quantity of acai berry that we are using in our product is 14%, 1/4. And in fact, we are using this freeze-dried powder of acai berry in our product iPulse. Freeze-dried powder in the sense, we are taking the natural fruits from the tree, we are freezing it to -80 degrees. When it becomes stone hard, we are grinding these fruits and making the freeze-dried powder. So this 14% of freeze-dried powder is used in our wonderful product iPulse, my dear friends. The reality of this is, the inference of this particular process is, whatever the quality which is present in the fruits on the treetop is actually present in the bottle of iPulse, my dear friends. This is what is exactly the relevance of freeze drying technology which is used for making this iPulse. So going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know, the World Health Organization normally tells it is 5000 ORAC units per day, but acai berry 60 ml in a day, 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, it gives you the best ORAC score of 7000 per day, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. It gives you 7000 per day. This is very, very important. So the next thing is, you have a synergistic combination of other fruits also in this. This is very, very important. Not only acai berry, it has the blueberry, the blackberry, the strawberry, the mulberry. Along with that, it has the pulps of pineapple, pear. You have the pomegranate, apple, kiwi fruit, white grape, concord grape, cherries, banana, orange. All these things put together, totally it is a combination of 15 fruits, where iPulse is having this acai berry which is in the form of freeze-dried powder. The remaining 14 fruits are in the form of pulps. I hope the point is clear to everybody. I hope one of you are asking this question. I miss Mr. Boris, probably, if I am able to see your screen right now. This contains the pulps or concentrates of the 14 antioxidant fruits. Acai berry is in the form of freeze-dried powder, my dear friend. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So, not only this, the most important thing is, whenever the product is consumed, free radicals are always considered to be the reason for whatever happens in the human body. Free radicals, wherever they are pervading in the human body, wherever they are spreading in the human body, the particular organ or the system in the human body gets affected. So whenever the free radicals are spreading in your brain, you have the Alzheimer's, you have the Parkinson's happening. Whenever it is pervading in the heart, you have conditions like cardiac arrest or any kind of a cardio ailment. Similarly, when it is spreading in your skin, you have the skin ailments. Similarly, if it is spreading in your eyes, you have conjunctivitis there. All these things, wherever the free radicals, these are the macromolecules, we call them as the toxins. These are spreading across the body, and wherever they spread, automatically this particular disease will be formed. So what will iPulse do, my dear friends? iPulse will always help us. 60 ml of iPulse a day will help you to neutralize the free radicals. So once the free radicals are neutralized, automatically the person's root cause of the disease itself is cleared. We are not trying to tackle the disease, my dear friends. We are trying to uproot the root cause of the disease. That is how iPulse is actually helping us out in understanding what antioxidant and its relationship with immune boosting capabilities are, my dear friends. So not only this, iPulse has a lot of significant benefits. The first and the foremost thing, as I told you, it has wonderful cardioprotective benefits where it strengthens the heart, it inhibits the platelet aggregation, it also increases or reduces, in fact, it reduces the bad cholesterol levels. It protects your cells. Each and every cell of the body is protected with the help of iPulse, my dear friends. It scavenges the free radicals. It strengthens the cell membrane. It restores the antioxidant numbers. It builds the proteins. It strengthens your immune system. It enhances the cellular communication, whereas it fights the virus and bacteria. This is very important. Well, it also has very important cancer-related benefits, especially for improving the quality of life in patients who are suffering with cancer, because the people with cancer have a lot of secondary complications, starting from the digestion, the metabolism and whatnot. All these issues can be cleared with the help of iPulse. Nervous system benefits when it is concerned, it strengthens your nervous system, it strengthens memory, it improves your mental clarity. It also has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits. This is very important. Anti-diabetic benefits in the sense it combats the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. In the sense, diabetes is also called as a disorder and not a disease. So it has a lot of complications associated with this. Complications in the sense you have retinopathy, you have the nephropathy, you have the renopathy, and nowadays a new pathy which has appeared these days is called as enteropathy. People with diabetes are facing a lot of loose motions these days. A lot of studies have happened on this. It's called as diabetic enteropathy. All these pathies which are associated with diabetes, the complications, what we call, iPulse is a wonderful product to be used in that as well, my dear friends. So for diabetic people, it is always important for you to use 20 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner. This is very important. So it is only 20 and 20 in case of diabetes. Please be aware of that. So not only this, in case of blood pressure, in case of low blood pressure, it is always important for you to give 30 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour after the food, and 30 ml of iPulse in the night, half an hour after the dinner. This is very, very important. So 2 times you have to use after the food always. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So whereas in other conditions it has to be before food, whereas in these 3 major conditions, low blood pressure, low hemoglobin and low body weight, you have to use the iPulse half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. So far as the age limit is concerned, it is always important for you to consume iPulse after 1 year of age, to you to suggest, and up to 100 years of age. That is what exactly it is. So the next important thing is, so far as the duration of intake is concerned, it is very important. As long as desired, you can consume iPulse. Well, as a part of the wellness products, for the absorption of the wellness products, it is always important for you to consume this at least for a minimum period of 3 months, so that the better benefits can happen in the human body. Well, the most important thing is the pregnancy and lactation. It is always important for the first 6 months of pregnancy. This product should be used. After 6 months of pregnancy, it is better not to be used. Well, during the lactation, my dear friends, the first month after the childbirth, it should not be used. From 2nd month onwards, this can be safely used in the mother. I hope these points are clear. Well, with this, my dear friends, I would like to end this short session on iPulse. I hope you have got the knowledge of linking this immune boosting properties with the antioxidant properties which are present in this product. I hope the point is clear. Well, this is a question answer time. I would like to take the questions now. So the first question, okay, let me take the questions of the last week before I take the questions of present week, my dear friends. So today my colleague Ms. Santoshini has collected the questions for us. So the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Nageshwar Rao. Can we stop using iPulse after continuing for 3 months, or should it be continued for lifetime? As I told you, the first and the foremost thing that everybody needs to know is, as a part of wellness supplement, it is always important for you to consume this at least for a minimum period of 3 months. That will actually, give that better absorption inside the body. We call it as ADME, my dear friends. For your all purpose, whoever is watching this, please understand this point. Whenever a wellness product goes inside the human body, there are 4 processes which happens. First thing is called as absorption. Second is called as digestion. The third is called as metabolism. The fourth is called as excretion. When these processes have to happen in the body, after these processes or during the course of these processes, automatically the health benefits start to come in your body. That is the reason why, at least for a minimum period of 3 months when the product is consumed, this ADME process, whatever I told you now, will happen inside the human body with total perfection, and ultimately the health benefits will also come out. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So not only this, so the next question that I am taking here from Mr. Ramesh Surappa. Can a diabetic person use iPulse? As I told you, 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food is always better. The third question is from Mr. Varun Jain. How iPulse is helpful in different arthritis? How the things have to be followed for effective results? This is what Mr. Varun Jain is asking. Well, Mr. Varun, if you are watching this, in case of arthritis, there are 2 kinds of arthritis which are actually seen. The first is called as the osteoarthritis, in which iPulse has to be used 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. Whereas the second one is called as rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune disease. In this condition, you have to use the iPulse 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. So for osteo it is before, for rheumatoid it is after. So the next question is from Mr. Pradeep Sharma. Can we give iPulse to people suffering from Alzheimer's? Very important, you can definitely give, because iPulse as a generalized health supplement is a very good neurological protective product also. That is the reason why you can definitely give 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food, my dear friend. So the next question is from Mr. Pravalika. Can iPulse be helpful in leprosy patients? Absolutely. As a generalized health supplement for various skin problems, you can definitely give iPulse. The next question is from Mr. Ravi Singh. Spinal cord and spondylitis patient, iPulse is beneficial. As I told you, my dear friend, for neurological issues, because spondylitis is also an osteo and a neurological issue, definitely you can use that. The next question is from Mr. Mohan Rao Komu. 9-year-old boy, how can be suggested iPulse? Definitely from 1 year onwards, you can give 30 ml of iPulse half an hour before the food twice daily, irrespective of the age. From 1 year onwards till 100 years, you can give 30 ml twice daily. I hope the point is clear. So let me take today's questions now. The first question is from Ms. Vamshi Dhare. If you are seeing this, Ms. Vamshi Dhare, Mr. or Miss, I am not able to pronounce the spelling. If it is wrong, please apologize for that. We are apologizing if the spellings are wrong, so please bear with us for that. We are using iPulse and iSlim. So body is increasing to consume both. How can we use this? See, suppose if I have to reframe your question a bit, we are using both iPulse and iSlim together. So how it is to be used actually for increasing the weight, suppose if your question is. So one thing is very important, my dear friend, here. See, you have to use 60 ml of iPulse, that is per day, that is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. And iSlim has to be used only in the night time between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. This is how it has to be used, my dear friend. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Miss Vijaya. Can iPulse be consumed by diabetic patient? What is the dosage? I think Miss Vijaya, I have told you it is 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. I hope the point is clear. The next question is from Mr. Kumar Dodda. Which is the better product for pigmentation problem? You can use a combination of iPulse and iGlow both. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Chetri. Is iPulse good for enlargement of spleen? Very, very good question actually. As a part of a generalized health supplement, the first thing that happens in the body is detoxification. So detoxification, when it happens, splenomegaly is a condition which is called as swelling of the spleen or inflammation of the spleen. So whenever the splenomegaly happens, the detoxification takes its role there as well. So definitely in such cases, you can definitely consume iPulse at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, my dear friend. So the next question that I'm seeing here. For kidney related issues, can iPulse be suggested or iCoffee? For kidney related issues, if there is association of diabetes, then you can use iCoffee and iPulse both. If there is no diabetes but only the kidney issue is there, I would suggest you to consume iPulse only at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is, there was a patient where the WBC count and platelet is increasing gradually, but the person does not eat sour fruits like lemon. Can this be given to this person? Absolutely, my dear friend. This product, the acidity is also maintained pretty well here. So you don't have to worry about the sourness of the product. You can definitely give this to this patient at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food again. So the next question from Saujanya Vempa, if you are watching this. Sir, what is the order of products if a person is consuming iPulse Coffee Slim for a non-diabetic person? Very good question, Ms. Saujanya. If you are watching this, if a person is consuming all the products in a day, you have to consume the iCoffee first. iCoffee is your first product, followed by 15 minutes later on you should consume iPulse. After that 15 minutes you can give a gap, have your breakfast. Similarly, iGlow should be taken 15 minutes after your breakfast. So Pulse will be before the breakfast. After 15 minutes you have your breakfast, then leave a gap of 15 minutes again, consume one sachet of iGlow. In the night times, by 7 to 9 o'clock, in between 7 to 9 o'clock, please consume iSlim Flat Tummies Bar by having a light lunch at 6 p.m. in the evening. I hope the point is clear. This is the way that you have to consume all the 4 products. I hope it is clear to you. So the next question is from Mr. Shyam. One person is facing a problem of typhoid fever. Which product can be suggested? Well, Mr. Shyam, as I told you, this is a generalized health supplement which can be given along with other conditions also. You can consume iPulse 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food. So the next question is from Ms. Payal Sindhwani. Which product is best for rheumatoid arthritis? Ms. Payal Sindhwani, if you are watching this, as I told you, osteo and rheumatoid arthritis are the 2 important arthritic conditions actually. Osteoarthritis is not an autoimmune disease where you have to use iPulse half an hour before the food. Whereas rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where you have to use the iPulse half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear to you, Ms. Payal. So the next question that I am taking here is from Mr. Milind. iPulse results on varicose veins is excellent after consumption of the 2 bottles. So thanks very much for the testimony, Mr. Milind. How much time iPulse has to be taken? You can definitely continue this at least for a period of 6 months. So the next question is from Mr. Pavan Jaiswal. Is iPulse beneficial for tonsillitis? Well, very good question, Mr. Pavan. One thing I want to tell you here, whenever you are refrigerating the product, please keep it out of the fridge. At least it comes to the room temperature, and then you give it to the person suffering from tonsillitis. Whenever the product is too cold, tonsils can inflame again. I hope the point is clear to you. Always give it in the room temperature, 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food is always a better way to use it. So the next question is from Nilima Coach. Can minor thalassemia kids use iPulse? Yes, you can definitely use it at a dose of 30 ml twice daily. So the next question is from Mr. Geetaram Jangra. One of the patients is using iPulse for leukorrhea problem. See, I'll tell you one thing, Mr. Geetaram, if you're watching this, you can include a combination of iCoffee creamer along with iPulse. That will be a better combination for leukorrhea or any female related disorders. For anybody who is watching, for any gynecological problems or female related disorders, it is always better to use a combination of iPulse and iCoffee creamer. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Ruby Sharma. If you are watching this, the person without gallbladder, is it useful? Definitely yes. I would suggest you 30 ml twice daily. So the next thing is from Miss Suchitra. Suchitra, can this be used in ringworm infections as a part of generalized health supplements? Yes, it can be used. Jagjeevan Jayagopal is asking, can we suggest iPulse to decrease creatinine levels? Well, a combination of iPulse and iCoffee is a wonderful combination for reducing the serum creatinine levels. iPulse will be 30 ml twice daily before the food, whereas iCoffee will be half sachet twice daily. It is half sachet twice daily, half an hour before the food, my dear friend. So Prasanna Kumar is asking this query, how to give iPulse for disc related issues. As I told you, spondylitis, arthritis, All these things are neurological problems where iPulse is a good generalized health supplement. You can give it at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Miss Kanchan. From Krishnaveni is asking me a question: is iPulse beneficial in vitamin B12 deficiency? No. We don't have any added vitamin B12 in this product. I hope the point is clear. So it is all the inherent vitamins which are present in the fruit. Miss Kanchan is asking a question here: can iPulse be given to a patient suffering from fits or epilepsy as a generalized health supplement, as a neurological system supporter? You can give it 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, Miss Kanchan. So Mr. Hisham is asking a question: why hair fall is... I would like to tell you, Mr. Hisham, actually we don't have a trial, we don't have an evidence stating that iPulse is a good product for hair fall situations. So it is better not to use this for any hair related issues. But if the hair is falling, I don't think it is because of iPulse, my dear friend. There is no interaction with any hair kind of a disease. Okay, thank you friends. I hope the questions are also there, so don't have to worry about it. We will be taking down your questions and I will be happy to answer them the next Monday, that is the iPulse day again. You don't have to worry about it. We have already formed a system by which each and every question of you will be answered. So you do not have to worry about that, my dear friends. So thank you very much. I'll come back again tomorrow with a wonderful concept of iCoffee again. I hope you'll all be curious to know about that as well. So thanks a lot for your patient watching. This is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye.